This is regarding the TPMS, the tire pressure monitoring system. I just had the tires rotated, and when I initially left, I had let a little air out of one of the rear tires, and it was monitoring in the front in its previous position. So I was concerned about whether or not this system needed to be reset or it would reset itself. And I had driven the car around town for a little bit, and eventually the system reset itself. And in fact, that's what my dealer told me, that there is nothing that needs to be done. There's no reset button or nothing that needs to be done to reset the system. It will relearn itself. Just to make sure, I ended up letting a little bit of air out of the other rear tire to make sure that the system is functioning properly, because I'm getting ready to go on a trip. But this is just to let you know, because the manual is kind of ambiguous. It shows you, has a diagram of how they want you to rotate the tires, but it doesn't say anything about whether or not you need to reset the monitoring system. And this is a 2020 Murano, and it has relearned on its own after a short period of driving.